Hey girlies, it's Kale back with another one. If you want to know how I use my Unbrush to get this sleek bun, stay tuned. Alright, so if you haven't already, subscribe below, because if not, what are you doing? But this is my freshly washed hair. I put it in 4 sections just so I can really get it moisturized before we put it in this low-key protective style. I don't use silk scrunchies to do this, so it's not really protective, but my ends are covered, so it is what it is. I put a leave-in in my hair, and then I kind of just like made sure that it was saturated. I then detangled with my Unbrush, because why would I not? It's so great. Love this brush, and it's definitely going all the way to the roots. It's not just hitting the surface. Then after you detangle that section, you're going to go in with some oil. I hit the roots and my ends because as time goes on, it'll definitely go down the hair shaft. Then I just twist that section off so I can start working on the next section. I take that twist and then I put it in a Bantu knot because for this style, I don't want my hair to shrink up a lot at all. I'm trying to keep it as elongated as possible. So then by the time that I put the bun in, that section will still be elongated and I won't have to re-detangle it. So we are going to repeat that on all the other sections. You're going to saturate the section with water again, add your leave-in of choice, and then detangle. Follow up with some oil to seal it in. Then twist and Bantu knot it down. So now that our hair is completely moisturized and juicy, we're going to take each section down and then we're going to just take our Unbrush and smooth it back. I find this to be much easier than using my comb because it doesn't snag. I don't have to re-hit each section. I can just literally go in and start the slicking process with the Unbrush. Next, you're gonna get your gel. I use Extreme Wet Line and just take that and slick down the sections just a little bit. Cause like for me, I don't like for my hair to be completely like just doused in gel or like weighed down with product. So I just take a little bit and like put it on the most important parts that I want to get slick. In the midst of me doing all of that, I decided that this was the moment that I wanted to define my parts. So here I am doing that. And then I'm going back in with the Unbrush because like, you know how you have to sometimes like do the back portion and slick that down and hold it down with a ponytail first and then come back and then slick the top up and then just do like different, like no, with the Unbrush, I'm not doing all that. Like I can go in and slick all my hair down at once without having to take more time by using sections. So they did their thing with the Unbrush and I'm not mad about it. And just to show you guys proof, here's me right after that with the comb, not getting stuck, no tangles, nothing. So I am going to go on with a silk scrunchie first, a couple of them actually, to just extend that ponytail and not let it shrink as I like really get down to the nitty gritty on slicking my hair back and doing my edges. So I'm going to take 2 scrunchies to do that. Then here I'm just going to go in and slick that down with my hard bristle brush because I like it sleek. And on this part, I decided not to slick down the top because I wanted to give that look that the girlies are giving these days where it's like a little bit of poof at the top of your bun to make it look kind of effortless. So you guys will see how it turns out, but I just wanted to give it a try. Then I took the scrunchies out and just detangled the ponytail one more time with the Unbrush. And then I'm going to go in with 2 scrunchies. The first one is going to keep it sleek and I'm going to actually put it on there. Not tight, but tight enough to where the look stays in place. So now that our little poof ponytail is in place, we're going to take our hair that's in the ponytail and twist it, and then we're going to wrap it around itself. Okay, so then you're going to take that second scrunchie and just place it over that bun while slicking down any parts that you feel might fly away. And that's it. So I followed up and did some edges because this is going to be a sleek look for me and my nights. But you don't necessarily have to take this step. If you're just trying to like put your hair up and go through your work week, or if you just don't care, feel free to leave it how it is. So that's pretty much the look. In these next coming clips, you're going to see me as I went to a conference that night. It was so good. But you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.